going on a road trip! Road trip, road trip, road trip.
No, hi to them.
Hi, we are here at Cam Trexo.
Welcome to our channel!
Kamusta na naman ang mga baby hairs natin dyan? Parang pak na pak yung makeup ko. Yum. What are you eating?
Fruit fries.
Grabe to. Grabe to, Jollibee. Love this. What is bigla ang lakad? If you guys want to know where are we heading to again, you know what to do. Please like and subscribe and tap that bell. Alright?
We're here, Kampo Trexo.
Trexo. There.
There, Kampo Trexo.
You have reached your destination.
We are here. Walang tao, di ba kuya?
Hi.
Wala po, kakalis lang po ngayon.
No, hi to them.
Did they smile?
Wow, Ati sa hang bridge.
We don't want to walk.
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid.
Toby's not afraid.
We're not
though.
afraid.
Hi, we are here at Cam Trexo.
Yeah! Hey everybody, look at where we are now. Of course, Sunday is for Spontaneous Sunday. So we're now here at Cam Trexo in Alfonso Cavite. Yay! Yeah, this is the place. It's actually a huge place, guys. It's actually made for camping and sports and recreation. We were just so lucky because as in kaninang morning lang, actually yeah, at around like maybe 1 a.m., 2 a.m., nag-usap kami na Stan, and then we thought of like, you know, going on an adventure with the kids today. So, sabi ko, bahala na. We'll see. So, as of kaninang umaga, wala pa kaming exact na pupuntahan na place. And then, naghanap ako all over the internet kung saan tumatanggap ng kids and stuff and where there's open air. So, what we did was, I prepared na our food. So, ano bang pinakamadaling lutuin? Adobo, guys. I also prepared like a broccoli because the kids love broccoli. And then, We have rice, we have like snacks with us, drinks. So, ayan lahat ng baon namin. Prepare ko na yan kaninang umaga without knowing kung saan kami exactly pupunta. And we're so happy that we ended up here because super ganda ng place, guys. Actually, solong-solo namin yung place. So yeah, as of today, wala nang ibang guests bukod sa amin. So, we are just so fortunate na solong-solo namin tong buong lugar na to. Anyway, guys, I'll try to give you whatever information na makukuha namin for today. We are actually unsure kung mag-overnight ba kami or something, but I'll just keep you guys updated. Okay? So, in the meantime, i-enjoy muna namin tong nature trip na to at nature therapy na to, guys. See you later. You have to get out first. I have to put the pillow and this blanket. Okay? Ito talaga yung tent na dala namin.
Hi!
Hi! Climbing? Can you do that? Mama will try to do that.
Okay, and then move closer to the wall. And then you put your other feet on the other side. Okay. Okay, go down na.
She got scared.
You having fun there?
Yes. I'm having fun. Ooh, I saw some lights over there. Some leaves.
Some leaves. Okay, room tour, Ati. Yeah.
The big tent. I don't know who's Come on, Mama. Come over here. Come over here. Mama, go over here. Over here. And the blue one.
Hi!
Blue.
Wow! This
Who
is
else,
huge.
Papa?
How many can sleep in daw, sabi ni Kuya?
I don't know.
Basta yung maliliit, four
I don't
people.
know.
Uy! Wow! Careful! Careful! Room tour! Okay, you tour them. Shabe.
No, Chelsea.
Okay, Chelsea, room tour.
What's over here?
A window.
It's a window. Whoa!
shy?
Don't be shy.
Yeah. So they also have this area here where there's table and then chairs para you can eat here and whatever. Okay? I'm not really sure kung may restaurant, pero so far, pwedeng magdala ng food. You can bring in food and drinks. You can make baon. And yun na nga, if you're planning to do overnight stay, they can provide the tents for you guys. I'm not really sure about the price. Basta I'll just put their link in the comment section down below. Okay?
Sanya's baon. She has Dutch meal inside. And cheesecake.
We plan to do a day tour only, pero nagdala pa rin ako ng mga extra clothes, of course, for me and Papa, and for the kids, just in case ma-feel namin mag-overnight, ready kami. So, of course, I always have my water bottle and Papa's bag. Ha! And eto na, mga baon ko.
Lemon square. Orokan.
Thank you, Lemon Square. Siyempre, meron akong wine glass. And of course, wine for me and Papa. And ito yung mga niluto ko this morning. Oh, we also have picnic. We also have chips. And of course, paper plate. And mga chichirya pa ng mga bata. Okay, this is what I prepared for this camping. The kids' favorite, broccoli. Yay! Yay! And, of course, rice. And, Sanya's favorite, pomelo. Look, Shubs. Shubs, you can eat this. Your favorite. Oh, you don't want?
I want.
Okay. And of course, the most important part. Ay, may kanya-kanyang baonan din yung kids. You see, I brought your lunchbox. So, pinako na ng ganito para mabilis na silang kakain mamaya. Talagyan na lang namin ng ulam and stuff.
It's yummy.
And then, of course, the most important part. Kapag may outing, dapat may adobo! Of course, responsible citizen kami, kaya may dala kami sariling trash bag because yan, ayan yung mga kalat nila, ayan yung mga kinain nila. You see, guys? Let's love Mother Earth.
Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
So, okay guys, that's it for our vlog this week. We just finished eating. Did you guys have fun? Sanya, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Yay! How about you? Did you have fun? Maybe we're good with the day tour already. Kasi parang baka mahirapan yung mga kids to camp out. Camping style talaga kasi siya eh. Like the toilet. Okay naman, it's all clean. Kaya lang pag may kids, parang medyo mahirap siya if you're gonna camp out with kids. Pero kung adults naman, very, very much okay lang. Yes. Pero kung adults or barkada trip, I would highly recommend this place. It's near Manila. It's just 2 hours away from Quezon City. The kids pretty much enjoyed the whole place. May mga obstacle course that they enjoyed so much. Kahit syempre hindi naman namin ginawa yung obstacle course, pero mga ano-ano lang, parang mga playground thing lang yung ginawa namin. Like monkey bars, and stepping up the ladder, mga ganan-ganan lang. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng madalian na nature therapy, guys, for you and the family, you could go here, like, you know, bring a small tent, or pwedeng parang mga picnic mat. Tamo, hindi ako makapag-extra. They're playing with the dog here. So, yan. Everything you need to know about the place, guys, I'll be putting it in the description box below. Entrance is 500 pesos. Inclusive na siya of bonfire, zip line, and other amenities. Pero hindi kami nag-zip line because baka hindi kayanin ni Ellie. Baka matakot siya eh. Medyo individual kasi siya. Hindi siya tandem.
Under you.
Yeah. So, hindi na lang namin siya ginawa. Maybe next time. So, yeah, I guess that's about it. That's about it for this week, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure to tap that bell. And, of course, yes, Anya? And yes, of course, follow me on my other social media accounts. Give me some lovin'. And we will see you guys in the next travel vlog. Bye! Say bye! Say bye!
Bye.
Bye! We love you! We love you! We love you!
Bye bye guys.